Hello, my name is Janne Männikä. I'm from Metsäkans Comprehensive School, Finland. And this is my project, Retelling the Heart's Bloodcirculation, aka a fairy tale of the blood cells' adventures in the heart. The objectives of this learning activity are to get the students to learn to apply their knowledge innovatively in new contexts, and to learn English vocabulary of the blood circulation and of the human heart. During this project, they also learn to plan collaboratively and to retell the learned facts by using their own words, in this case, telling a fairy tale of the facts. They are going to use PC tablets which have Office 365 and Corinth Classroom in them. Also, OneDrive, Yammer, OneNote, and so forth are in use. They should be able to share documents by using SharePoint and assess and reflect upon their work by using WeLearn program and OneDrive. They should also be able to use Office Mix to do presentations into a video form and to communicate their ideas with the partners of different language, so use English as a media. The project goals were presented to the students, and the groups were formed by using TMUsh software. They were given the written instructions and an assessment form which they would be using throughout the project. These were also uploaded to OneDrive so they can be revised afterwards if there's anything to question. After each lesson, the students were required to make a reflection with WeLearn by choosing a video with a tablet in which they told what was done, if there was any problems, and were there possible solutions for these problems. Also, things that what they will be doing next and possible problems in this and the solutions for them were required to be told. In the second lesson, the actual learning starts. The biology teacher teaches the students how the blood circulates through human heart using the Corinth Education's Corinth Classroom application for Windows 8. When the things were taught to the students, they would discuss about the outlines of their story, and collaboratively they can work even at home because they are using OneDrive, OneNote, and Office 365 as a collaborative tools. At this point, the only requirement for their story was to use all the words shown in the Corinth Classroom in the story. And the next lessons were that when the story was finished, they could move it to the PowerPoint, so that they make pictures for the story to the PowerPoint. The pictures could have been taken from Corinth Classroom or some other places which they find suitable. When the PowerPoint pictures are ready, the students will make then an Office mix of their PowerPoint and read aloud their fairy tale according to their pictures. All these steps are made collaboratively in their own peer groups. After this Office mix is finished, the finished version is given to the students of primary school to be used in their biology lessons or whatever they find it suitable to, so that they can at least learn the blood circulation through heart through a fairy tale. Lesson 6 and 7 consist of the translation of the fairy tale into English. Again, this English version is then made into an office mix, and this office mix version is then shared with the partner school in a foreign country by using SharePoint or Yammer, so that the other school students can learn the blood circulation, can comment, and suggest some improvements to their fairy tales and the overall project. There is also a possibility where the foreign school students would collaboratively work together with our school students and make the story together by using Yammer or things like that. If time allows, the students can also make an app out of this fairy tale and office mix by using Sienna project. After the stories are finished and shared, they are discussed and evaluated in the classroom, and the students will be using the beforehand given assessment form to do this. Now, the project outcomes. During the project, the students learned the facts about the human heart, learned to retell facts with their own words in an innovative and creative way, to use different kinds of software and applications, reflect upon their own and other students' work, and use constructive criticism on their own and other people's work. The collaboration also taught the students some global aspects of the partner schools and the ways the students in the respective schools are taught the similar facts. In other words, this project broadened their horizons in many different ways. The last point is that the primary school students got the end product for their use and thus learned the same facts as the secondary school students, but in a different manner. So that was about it, and thank you for listening.